Hello, this is lecture 2 by Ramanjan sir, Department of Mathematics, Department of Mathematics. Let us see the in continuation of lecture 1. In continuation of lecture 1 we completed the dot product or scalar product of two vectors. Whereas now cross product or vector product of two vectors. Vector product of two vectors. Let A and B be two vectors. Let A and B, or A bar and B bar, be two vectors, and theta be the angle between A bar and B bar. Then the cross product of A bar and B bar, denoted by A bar and B bar, defined as A bar cross B bar is equal to mod A bar into mod B bar into sin theta into n cap, where n cap is a unit vector perpendicular to both A bar and B bar. Suppose these are the OA, OB, A bar and B bar vectors. Theta is the angle between them, and perpendicular to these two vectors is to be n cap. So n cap is a unit vector perpendicular to both A bar and B bar. So that cross product of two vectors is A bar cross B bar is equal to mod A bar into mod B bar into sin theta into n cap, where n cap is a unit vector perpendicular to both. This is A bar and B bar. Properties. If first one, if A bar is equal to A1 I bar plus A2 J bar plus A3 K bar, and B bar is equal to B1 I bar plus B2 J bar plus B3 K bar, then A bar cross B bar is equal to determinant of first row I bar J bar K bar, second row A1 A2 A3, which are the coefficients of A bar, coefficients of I bar J bar K bar in A bar. Next, third row B1 B2 B3, which are the coefficients of I bar J bar K bar in B bar. and A bar cross B bar is a vector quantity. So the simplification is A bar dot B bar we defined, whereas now A bar cross B bar is in terms of determinant. Simplification of this determinant is a vector. So second property, sin theta is equal to A bar cross B bar divided by mod A bar into mod B bar into n cap. This is the transformation of sin theta, that is in A bar cross B bar. Transformation of A bar cross B bar. So third property, A bar cross B bar is equal to 0 bar, then A bar is parallel to B bar. So the two vectors are parallel to each other. Suppose A bar is like this and B bar is like this. This is B bar and this is A bar. Both are parallel to each other. A bar dot B bar is both vectors are perpendicular to each other. Next, fourth one, A bar cross B bar is not equal to B bar cross A bar, but A bar cross B bar is equal to minus of B bar cross A bar. Exactly not equal to, but minus of or minus times of B bar cross A bar. Next, fifth one, I bar cross I bar, cross product of the same vector. J bar cross J bar is equal to K bar cross K bar is equal to 0 bar. Dot product of same vectors is 1, whereas cross product of same vectors is equal to 0. And I bar cross J bar is equal to K bar, comma J bar cross K bar is equal to I bar, comma K bar cross I bar is equal to J bar. That is, suppose in the anti-clockwise direction, I bar is this, J bar is this, K bar. So that anti-clockwise direction is I bar cross J bar is equal to K bar, like that. J bar cross K bar is equal to I bar. Next, K bar cross I bar is equal to J bar. And also J bar cross I bar is equal to minus K bar. K bar cross J bar is equal to minus I bar. I bar cross K bar is equal to minus J bar, which are to be clockwise direction. J bar cross I bar is equal to minus K bar. This is anti-clockwise. Next, scalar triple product. Scalar triple product. scalar triple product, like that. Vector triple product later on. It's a scalar product. Scalar triple product. Three vectors we have. If A bar is equal to A1 I bar plus A2 J bar plus A3 K bar, comma, B bar is equal to B1 I bar plus B2 J bar plus B3 K bar, and C bar is equal to C1 I bar plus C2 J bar plus C3 K bar. Then the scalar triple product of scalar triple product of A bar comma B bar comma C bar is denoted by box of A bar, B bar, C bar, or A bar dot of B bar cross C bar, defined as A bar dot of B bar cross C bar is equal to 3 by 3 determinant. First row, A bar vectors, A1, A2, A3. Next, B bar. In B bar, the coefficients of I bar, J bar, K bars are to be B1, B2, B3. Next, similarly, in C bar, I bar, J bar, K bar coefficients C1, C2, C3. This is simplification. And A bar dot of B bar cross C bar is a scalar quantity. Right. Properties of scalar triple product. Properties. First one, A bar dot of A bar cross B bar is equal to 0. If vector is repeated, then its scalar triple product is 0. Product is 0. Next, second one, A bar dot of B bar cross C bar is same as interchange dot and cross products. A bar cross B bar of dot C bar. Next, third one, A bar dot of B bar cross C bar in cycling order is equal to B bar dot of C bar cross A bar is equal to C bar dot of A bar cross B bar. All will be the having same values. Fourth one, if a bar comma b bar comma c bar are coplanar vectors means lies in the same plane then a bar dot of b bar cross c bar value is equal to 0. Right. These are the properties of that scalar triple product. So similarly, vector triple product. Vector triple product. So here also the three vectors. If a bar is equal to a1i bar plus a2j bar plus a3k bar, b bar is equal to b1i bar plus b2j bar plus b3k bar, and c bar is equal to c1i bar plus c2j bar plus c3k bar, then the vector triple product of a bar comma b bar comma c bar denoted by a bar cross of b bar cross c bar, defined as a bar cross of b bar cross c bar is equal to, see that, a bar with c bar dot product a bar dot c bar of b bar minus dot product of a bar with b bar, the remaining vector of c bar. Next, properties. First one, a bar cross of b bar cross c bar is not equal to a bar cross b bar of cross c bar, because where a bar cross b bar of cross c bar is equal to dot product with a bar of c bar, that is a bar dot c bar of b bar minus again c bar dot with b bar, that is b bar dot c bar with a bar. So automatically this one and this one cannot be equal, so that this one, the RHS and LHS cannot be equal. Next, second one, triple scalar product a bar plus b bar, comma b bar plus c bar, comma c bar plus a bar is equal to 2 times of triple scalar product a bar b bar c bar. See the sum of the two vectors of a bar plus b bar plus c bar plus c bar plus a bar is equal to 2 times of that. And also we have one more property is here, cross product of each in order a bar cross b bar comma b bar cross c bar comma c bar cross a bar in cycling order is equal to triple scalar product a bar b bar c bar whole square. These are the results that we can see in solving the problems also. So thank you very much. The remaining we'll see in the next lecture, the problems based on these results. Thank you very much.